Hey YouTube, today I have a Canvas Go Kingston MicroSD card, 128 gigabytes. It's a class 10 MicroSD card, which is good for drones, for cell phones, and for GoPros. We're going to check the compatibility with this GoPro here because there have been reported some issues with the compatibility with GoPros. This is priced at, I believe, at around 80 euros at the time we were speaking, 2022. It has a MicroSD adapter as well. Let's take a bit more closer look. Here it says some of the specs, that it's a class 10 GU3V30A2, which means that it's a quite fast card, not the fastest card around, but for the price it's okay, and it has a 128 gigabytes of storage. You can buy even bigger storage with 256, I think it's 512, and it's good for cell phones. I believe it can do most of the job that you want to do, and also for a GoPro, which we're going to check out here later on. On the back here we can see that it has a lifetime warranty, which is a good thing to have with these cards. And yeah, that's about it. Let's open this thing up. As you can see from the biker here, he has a helmet, he has some kind of camera on his helmet, so it's good for vlogging, for filming, and it comes with this MicroSD adapter, which you can use it as an adapter, SD adapter. And the card here is very small, tiny, teeny. The camera can focus, probably not, because it's very small. The legend is very small, 128 gigabytes. And let's check if it is compatible with this GoPro Hero 9. Let's try to open this GoPro. It has a difficult spring here, is a spring cap to open because it's waterproof. And let's take it here, but probably it's going to be better if we take out the battery first out, so we have more space. And I believe it's the logo must be facing this side. And yeah, and it just clicked in. And we'll put in the battery. Yeah, and just closed. And let's open it up through this. Okay. And from what you can see here, it has recognized I believe that it has, it's green, so yeah, it has recognized the camera. Let's press the record button. Yeah, and now it's recording. So that's about it. The camera is compatible with this Hero 9, I believe, with all GoPro cameras that take micro SD cards inside of it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.